Hi, Ella. I love it. Jenny! Oh my God! Oh, not Kristen! What? No! Oh my God! I learned his piece. I was Virginia. Oh my God! Okay, everyone hug me. Because apparently you said to her the other day. You're right. I'm so proud of her. Oh, you look beautiful. I thought you were so sorry. Oh yeah, totally. Another girl. Oh, you're coming all the time. She's amazing. Thank you. Hello, darling. Everything whenever. Hi, good friend. Now I can get a hug this time. Lisa.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
for your first time. That's cute. Well, those are the best. Yeah. They really are. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. I love that. I already started with mine. This is a cute box.
That's adorable. You could use that in her.
I know. Really cute. You know I need to go to the other dresser.
I like it all the time. I like all that. Yeah.
Like so. Yeah, and it shouldn't be because she has a big closet. I just want something else in her room so we don't have to like.
I actually have a little box of them.
You know that I put the layer in so I need something. Yeah. Need something to put her clothes on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. Isn't it adorable? It's adorable. This matches like the little slippers that Kelly got, like this material. See, I'm already putting outfits together in my head. 6 to 9. Perfect.
And I did the long sleeves because I know you guys get cold.
No, I know. I always.
The house gets chilly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I do. I always.
always put long sleeves.
Yeah, and
always dying in
Tanner's
the-
still sleeping in sleep sock too.
That
Nice.
heavy?
Aww.
I would
Well,
sleep in
ice cream.
one.
Ice cream.
Yeah, right. This is adorable too. I love this. Aww, hoodie. Unicorn.
Aww.
I love that. I love baby hoodies, so they're perfect. It just brings you.
Good. Before I bought any presents. Because I found them and I wasn't going back looking for them. And I figured all of them can be used at any point in time if I didn't use them.
Chris is here.
Loving it.
Hi, Tanner. Tia man. Oh, you got a kiss too, baby.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Carter. Carter. You want to be too?
And Tessa.
That would be a cute
In his
picture.
defense,
Tanner.
He does have long arms.
You like that unicorn cupcake?
He has long arms.
Do you? I have short arms.
He's got long arms.
That's a sprinkle he has.
He's like, what is this thing?
Wondering what that is. Look at his face.
Tanner. He's like, is this supposed to be like this?
Can we sit together and we'll eat some pasta salad or something?
What you got? What you eating? That. It's a pretzel with lots of yummy stuff on it, huh? Looks like a unicorn horn.
Cray crack.
Go from nice to this.
Hold this, please.
No, no, Tanner, no stairs. I seriously had the most amazing day. It was the best. It's called a sprinkle, but everyone doesn't know what that is. So it's like a small baby shower when you have previous kids, but I didn't have one for Tanner since I was having another boy and I pretty much already had everything. But I had one for Ella today and it was just absolutely amazing. Like all of my closest friends and family, and my friend Jenny surprised me all the way from Virginia, and it was so nice to see her. It was just like, just such an amazing day having everybody I love in one place, and I'm just so grateful and I feel so thankful and so blessed, and I'm just ready to nest like crazy. This pregnancy has flown by and I don't know, I just can't thank God enough. Thank you all so much for watching. And now I'm going to get the energy to go ahead and film a baby shower haul, what all I got at the baby shower. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I promise I'm gonna have more pregnancy related videos coming since we're getting close to the end, and I just want to remember this amazing time